Hi friend, once again welcome to Turnaround Academy program. And today I just make this video to communicate you. Turnaround Academy channel has crossed 100 subscriber in YouTube channel, and 2000 view also Turnaround Academy channel got. Means 101 people has been subscribed till yesterday, and 2000 people has watched our pages. And I thought I need to share with you. So thank you very much all the Turnaround Academy family. And total 1000 subscriber is required to maintain this channel. So we reach first milestone 100. So I thought I need to communicate. So that's why I always in my video I said subscribe this channel and watch because this is a free channel, and it is an initiative, knowledge sharing. So we need all people to participate in this channel. Many people ask me this question, how I'm making these videos and all these things. I cannot make it alone, correct? So I have a team, people are working here in India, and few people are also providing online support. And Mumbai means Bollywood. So Bollywood means video editings and studio, these all are there. But due to Corona, we have some limitation here, and so video editing got delay, and you know that you cannot, it's a big file, it cannot go online, you have to take it in the USB and give it to them. And many people are working and behind basically my team, and everybody is working voluntarily, but I don't know how many days I can get support as a volunteer. They will support me, because now it is a pandemic and COVID situation, people are at home, so they have some extra time, so they are supporting. Video, you know that first the procedure is, first we need to make the content, and content, what will be the subject, that is depending upon the request I am getting, that some of people are requesting and sending the message what is they wanted to watch the video. So accordingly I am making. So first I have to write the content, and then we have to review as a team, and then content has to be finalized, and then video shooting. After the video shooting, video editing, and then video editing, and then uploading. And so a lot of process are there. Now, why I am briefing all this process, many people ask me these questions. One of my colleagues actually is from Madnock. He also asked me the same questions. How this is happening and all these things. So, I need more people to participate in the channel. See, this is nothing harm to subscribe, it's a free, correct? And whenever you have time to watch it, you have to spend some time to watch weekly, maybe one time, once, or before going evening, whenever you have free times to watch. Knowledge sharing, and as much as you watch, you will get some informations in this video. All the videos will have some informations. I know that today's social media is busy with Sushant Singh's justice for Sushant, justice for Kangana, and all these things are going on. So that is, nothing is going to benefit you, People are jobless, GDP has go down, and we are not sure till end of this year this pandemic will go out, there will be vaccine or not. So what to do? So that is the reasons to go ahead with this various programs, video, upgrade yourself, and whatever you can contribute on that, do. If you wanted to share also something, also you can communicate it to me, and also then our team will connect with you. We can have a video conference discussions, many things we can do. So you are going to get the world best technologies video, how they are doing work. That also we are going to share with you. Now there is a restriction, travel restrictions are there, so we are not able to go and shoot the videos from there, how they are doing. Last time I upload one video, I think you have seen that reactors video. Even the night time also, the heavy lifting is going on. But I have seen that there is a restrictions, people are not allowing to do the liftings and all these things. We have to, we have to enhance our knowledge to see that how the world is dealing. So these all are there. So out of 1,000 subscribers in the YouTube, we have reached 100. So another 900 subscribers need to be joining this program. So once then the channel will run independently. Now I am providing support, but later on, once this pandemic will go out, we will be not having that much time. So share this channel to your friends and send me your comments, what video you wanted to see. And also recently we make the Facebook page also, and you will get the same video in the Facebook also. And YouTube better is that YouTube, in that particular channel, once you subscribe, if you go to the T Academy, you can see all the videos in one place is available. And also the format is there, you can watch the full video in the nice way. Where I saw in the Facebook we have some limitations, that both the side is cutting and I think some size or setting is required, I don't know. That not giving much interest to watch, But YouTube I saw that it is okay. It's okay. Video quality, yes, I got some comments. Quality I can improve further, but it's not happening because shooting place, it is in my office basically, and now I am not able to go frequently there, and because everything is locked, and if I go, my team has to also come. I cannot go alone, and there is no local trains available. I have to pick them in the car and then reach there and spend full day for shoot. Sometimes we did complete shoot up to 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock in the evening, so that one subject at least we cover, and then we did the editing. Sometimes we did it in the part by part. One time, okay, today we did some sections and tomorrow some sections, and then once the editing people are working, and then they said, oh, something is I need to again redo. And so that's a part of that. Okay, so the video, the best way to communication, the video, this is one of the questions. Website development is also going on in parallel, but I don't have time to focus in both. The reason is video communication is more effective way to communicate. If you watch the movie, read the book, and the same book when we saw as a picturization form, everybody recall what is that, and that is the reasons the video communication is more effective. And especially I am trying to make the video as a complete content. I know that video is longer. Last video about the turnaround premises is uploaded. It is around I think 1 hour around timing, because my experience is saying you need the complete set in one shot. Maybe you don't have time to watch today, but tomorrow you will have sometimes. And when really you are going to work on that particular subject, that time you have to see the full video. So it's very helpful. And in my career ladder, I have seen many videos and inspire myself. I got many things you can do, and online you can reach to world anywhere, and you can get that informations. So when you are working in oil and gas fields, and these are the tools you need to use, upgrade yourself. So how the world is working to understand. Okay, thank you very much. So first milestone achieved, and that is last 1 month's updates I'm saying. And in between I was busy and I couldn't able to upload the video 2 weeks, so there was a gap, but still we able to achieve in first 100 numbers in 1 month. So let us see that. I will keep update you. So subscribe my channel and share with your friends, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that new videos notification automatically you will get, so that once you have time to watch it. If you like the video, don't forget to click like also, so that my team will inspire. And so far it is very impressive, because my audience are very limited. Most of the people nowadays to watch the news and other things, but that will not help you out. What I said, spend some times with the knowledge sharing and learning process. It may help to you, it may help to others. Okay, thank you very much.